Hi, my name is Dr. Don Buford. I'm the current president of the Interventional Orthobiologics Foundation, and I want to invite all of you to come to our IOF Max with TOBI annual meeting that'll be June 17th to 20th at the Gaylord Rockies in Denver, Colorado. This is now the largest regenerative medicine focused meeting in the United States, so you don't want to miss it. At the meeting, please take advantage of our hands-on training opportunities. We have beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses covering virtually every joint, covering fluoroscopic and ultrasound guidance. So in one place, you can hear the latest basic science and clinical research, and you can get the hands-on training you need to go back home Monday and be better than you were on Thursday. One of the things to be aware of is our early bird registration ends tomorrow. So if you want to find the website to register, the easiest way is to go to buford.info/IOF Max. That's BUFORD.info/IOF Max. That will take you right to the page where you can get an early bird discount for registration. Hope to see you all there.